Okay, next we're going to be making our links. Notice we have link 1, link 2, link 3. In the previous lesson we put our banner up, we put a creative title about our hobby. So next we're going to make some links and some pages. So you can go to the class website and we can get at mouselift.com, and then we can get our, let's see, we are on HTML under applications, HTML, and we are under links. Okay, so in links, first of all, we're going to create 3 pages. Okay, first of all, it's going to be details, develop, and inspire. So let's go ahead and do that. We can bring up our text edit. And again, if you're using PC, you can use Notepad. If you're using text edit, hit Shift Command T to make it a non-text rich editor. We are going to then start our basic page. Remember HTML. I'll zoom in so you can see a little bit better. Okay, and then we have head, and then we have title. And for this title, remember it's going to be inspire is one of the pages we're making. We're going to close the head, and then we have a body, close the body, and close the HTML. So this is the basic page without any content in the page so far. So I'm going to go ahead and go to File, Save As. I'm going to save this as inspire.html, and hit save, use HTML, yes. And make sure that you save your file inside the folder that you have. For example, CA5 Mr. Hiles and then HTML. Now remember to prepare your files. You need to save all your extra pages inside that folder. So there's the Inspire page that I just made. I'll double click that to see what it looks like, and there it is. Notice Inspire, there's my title, and it works. So let's go ahead and make the other two. The other two was detail and develop. So as a shortcut, notice how I just made Inspire. Okay, now I'm just going to make my other one. So detail, and I can just go to File, Save As, and just change the name. And detail.html, save. Go to my folder. Yep, there's detail. See if it works. Yes, it works. There's detail. So I'm good. And let's make one more, and that's develop. And file, save as, develop.html. Hit save, use HTML, and we're good. There's develop, and it works. Boom. Close that. Okay, so next in the directions, it says that after we make that, we are going to so we're going to put 3 links and insert a symbol between the 3 links. So for example, let's go to our index page. Okay. Now if we want to edit this index page, we can control click and then click view page source. Okay, and that's a page source that we made. So I can just copy that and paste it into my text editor if I want to edit it. So far our code is, there's our image capturing side of the world, and we're going to be putting text right underneath this. First of all, we're going to bold the text, so B, and I always like to close my tags so I don't forget it. And then it's going to be P because we're starting a new, not literally a new paragraph, but figuratively a new area or text area. So P align equals center, close parenthesis, close quotation mark, and then So for our text, we have detail, develop, inspire. So detail, put a space, develop, space, inspire. Okay, and I'm going to close my P for P align. Okay, and file save as. Remember that was index.html. And I hit save and use HTML, and we're going to replace it. So I go back to my folder, click on index, or I can go to my other one, hit Command R to refresh. Let's go back to see what happened. There it is. So there's my links, detail, develop, inspire. So I'm going to go back to my text edit. I'm going to get rid of link 1, link 2, link 3 because we don't need those anymore. Okay, and for my detail, develop, and inspire, we're going to put a symbol in between each one to kind of solidify each link. So according to the directions, let's see. According to the directions, we're going to use a symbol. If you click on that link, or if you type in Google, like search for symbol, like HTML symbols, don't use a math symbol or Greek symbol. Use a different one. For me, I'm going to use this diamond right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this code. Okay, that's the code for that diamond. You can choose the symbol that you'd like. There's a bullet. There's a dash. Go to my text edit, and in between detail, I'm going to just put in that reference. Now, because it starts with the and symbol, that basically is saying, okay, this is a symbol. So you don't need a tag. HTML already knows that's going to be a symbol because of the and sign. And I'm going to put it right here as well. Hit Command S, go back to my page, Command R, and notice now I have my symbols in between each one. So now it's time to make a link. So for detail, let's go ahead and do that. Now for my link, it's going to be okay, href. Okay, that's like a hyperlink, href. Now a hyperlink is to another page. An anchor link is within the same page. Right now we're doing a hyperlink to another page within the same website. So ahref equals parentheses, and then what's the name of our file for detail? Yes, detail.html. Okay, close quotation and close tag, and then right after detail, I'm going to close A, like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and save that, and we'll go here to our thing and refresh it, and notice now detail is highlighted. I click on detail, and bada bing, bada boom, it takes us to our detail web page. So we can go ahead and keep editing that. Now I'm going to put the symbol actually right after detail. So we don't have, or sorry, we're going to put it right after the A. Backspaces, and make this all one line since it's all one line of text. So we have detail. Now let's do develop. I'm just going to copy what I had for detail and paste that right before develop, and just change the name to develop.html. And then I'm going to close my A. And there's that. And close my A for Inspire.